Hello art students, my name is Peter Beck. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. This video is really an opportunity for me to introduce myself to you and also just touch briefly on a couple things about the course, and then when we meet in person we'll go over the syllabus in more depth and then can answer a lot more questions you guys might have about that kind of thing. Just so that you know a little bit more about me, I've been an instructor at Marquette High for about 10 years and I've been coaching the climbing team ever since. But more importantly, I'm an artist myself, right? You're joining me in my home studio. You're going to get to know this studio a little bit better. And in my own practice, I get involved in all kinds of different things. Being an artist means a lot of different things, but maybe in the most simplistic way, I draw a lot of things. I draw a lot of stuff. I fill my sketchbook with all kinds of silly drawings. Some of those drawings become objects. Some of those drawings become really big objects. But being an artist also means that I think about the world differently. I study the world differently. I think about the world in big, expansive ways, and I get excited about uncertainty and about complexity. And I see imaginative potential everywhere, like in discarded cardboard or in sand, spaces, light. My course is an opportunity for you to practice this kind of thinking. You'll hear voices from artists and designers who are working within kind of divergent aesthetic traditions, and it'll allow your mind to open as you work with your hands. Now, all courses, right, are built on kind of a couple of basic foundational kind of pieces, right? And so my course has them too. Instruction, right? I'm going to deliver instruction to you in this way, right? Oftentimes will be pre-recorded video tutorials. It'll be uploaded to YouTube, and it'll be divided and distributed according to individual units and lessons, right? And then there will be your studio work. Your studio work in particular is going to happen almost entirely in your sketchbook with a kit of supplies that you will receive from me. Now, one of the most frustrating things about art lessons and learning things that you don't already know is that when you hit roadblocks, you need feedback, right? You need that help. And so the other kind of basic component for most courses is feedback. And I'm not really just talking about grades. Grades do come into this class, right? But feedback, more importantly, is probably an opportunity for me to answer your questions directly or intervene in your process if it gets too frustrating and you want to give up. Now, that kind of feedback will happen one of two ways. If you're fortunate enough to be able to meet with me in the classroom space, in the studio space, that instruction, that feedback will happen in person. If not, it'll happen via one-on-one or one-on-two or small group video conferencing. Or it won't all just be me delivering content to you through a tutorial and you working it out in isolation in your home studio. I'm excited to meet you guys all in person. We'll cover some more course details that are embedded in the syllabus, everything from basic expectations to sort of general structure and schedule of the class to specific projects. I look forward to seeing all you guys in the classroom soon.